Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, as you guys can see, we'll be testing out a Fenty foundation. So I did ask you guys on Instagram about what foundation you guys would like for me to review. So I did have two Fenty foundations, and y'all, believe it or not, it's the Hydrating Foundation one over the Pressed Powder Matte Foundation. I don't know the correct name of that, but I was really surprised. I really thought everybody wanted to see the pressed powder one, but no, you guys wanted to see this. And another reason I'm so surprised, because this has already been out for a minute. I think I want to say a good year, but I'm just not getting my hands on it because I kind of slept on Fenty, but she's awake now. And we're going to do a review on this. So in order for me to get the full effect of a foundation, I can't just do, oh, let me prep my face foundation, boom, let's do a review on that. I can't get my full like feel about a foundation unless I really full on do my makeup. Before I start on this, I'm going to off camera do my eyes, and then I'm going to come back and then we're going to do a little prep for this. All right, so now that I have the eyes done, let me go in with a little bit of details about this foundation. So this retails for $36. I did get the shade for $40, which is going to be kind of experiment because with my original Fenty foundation, I got the shade for $50. And the only thing I really don't like about this one is because it's a little bit red undertone, and I just really don't like it. And the shade that's underneath this doesn't match me at all, and then the shade above this is definitely way too dark. So it's just like, I don't know. So I kind of took a wing with this one, and it kind of still looked very similar. I know the glass can be a little bit deceiving. Honestly, any packaging will be a little bit deceiving. But a little bit more about this foundation. It says it's a hydrating natural finish foundation that delivers comfortable long wear and a medium to full coverage, perfect for normal to dry skin. And then the coverage is medium, so it's not a full coverage, it's like a medium. And then the finish of this foundation is considered to be natural. Okay, not too shade, not too shade. Okay, so like I said, in order for me to really get the full effect, if I really like this foundation, I was going to just use all Fenty products, but I don't use that on a daily, so I will save that for another video. Maybe I'll do like an all Fenty product video. But if I want to test this foundation and use my regular products that I use on a daily, then that's best that I do that to get the full effect. Alright, so I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face with my Touching Soul water and oil. I know I love this one. So not only does it hydrate my skin, but it is going to do a little bit of minimizing to the pores. I'm going to put this all over my dry face right now. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer. Y'all know I love this one. So I'm going to just simply put this all over my face. And clearly I put too much, but I think I'm just overdoing it for the video's sake, because I don't know, I'm a little nervous about this foundation. I don't know why. I guess because I don't really like the other one that much, so I'm a little nervous. Alright, so I'm not sure if this is a requirement to shake. I'm gonna assume so, because with the other foundation, I definitely need to shake that up when used, because it kind of like separates. I don't know why. Oh, I didn't even realize it's a pump. Okay, this is really cute. Ooh, it's definitely like watery in a sense. Not watery to like I don't like it. Just it's not thick. So it definitely feels more like a light coverage. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my brush and nice and warm, and let's see. I can't quite tell. This is definitely, let's see, I'm gonna rub it in my chest if this is a match. It definitely would match on my chest. I don't know if you guys see that. Let me do it again. See there? Did a long little stroke, and then I'm going to blend it out so you guys can see. So this definitely is a match for my chest. Once I blend it out, you cannot see it. Okay, that's the key. We want to match the chest, so that's what's important. So I'm going to put this on all over. So I definitely feel like I over pumped and I overdid it with my face right now, but my beauty blender, sometimes I feel like it just sucks up that foundation. So now I'm going to blend this out. Okay. It is giving coverage. Not mad at that at all. So this is definitely blending out pretty good. I'm very surprised on that. But the other Fenty foundation did the same thing. It was the fact that it kind of like oxidized just a little bit after. So I guess that would be the key to see once this dries up on how it looks. This was definitely easy to blend. So this is how it looks. It looks freaking pretty good in my opinion. Like I really don't have any complaints. It has like a natural glow to it. I like this. Okay, and talking about medium coverage, this is not bad of a coverage. I had a big old giant pimple bump here and I don't think you can barely see it. I mean, you can probably see it just a tiny bit now that I pointed it out, but it covered it up. I am highly impressed. Okay. Definitely don't think it was smart for me to wear glitter on the eyes for today's video, but we live and we learn, okay? I do have the Fenty concealer and I do love it, but I did get it in a different shade this time around, so I'm not ready to try it out. Plus, this is the stuff that I use on the daily when I do my makeups. These like my everyday products, so I want to continue with that. So I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. concealer. And this is the 16-hour matte wear, and this is in the shade Deep Cinnamon. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my banana powder. This is by Black Radiant. I set the concealer parts with the banana. I'm not usually a baker when it comes to my setting powder. I like to set my concealer but not necessarily bake it. So I do just kind of like press the setting powder on and then I move on. Now if that baking is your thing, then go for it, but I ain't got patience for that. And then for my regular powder, I'm gonna go in with Cocoa Kisses. And again, this is my Black Radiance. Okay, she is, I think I'm falling in love. So this is definitely looking pretty good, you guys. Being that this is like the base of it all. Like I haven't contoured and everything. This is looking really good. And it's matching, you guys. You see that? It is matching. So I'm very excited and happy for what I'm seeing right now. So what I'm going to do off camera is I'm going to finish the rest of my face. And then we're going to come back and see what this face looks like after I done completely slayed my face. Alright, you guys. So this has been on for about a good 2.5, close to 3 hours right now. And honey, Fenty, hi. I feel like Fenty, yes, now I can kind of join the Fenty bandwagon. For a minute I felt like I was forcing myself to like this foundation, which I like the coverage and everything. I just don't like the shade that's supposed to be fit for me, but I do like the formula of this one. But being that Fenty, you found me. This is me, the undertones, everything. Like, look at this, y'all. Like, look, can I see that? I'm not even looking weird, but look, we match, okay? And that is so important, to find a foundation that completely matches you, okay? I can't stress on that, especially if you're around my skin tone, women of color. It is very hard to find foundations that matches us perfectly. And when they do, honey, stack like 2 of them inside your cart, okay? So I'm here for this foundation. The only thing I'm a little nervous about is being that I love this so much, she gonna run out real quick. But this is definitely a yes for me. I keep staring at myself, I'm sorry. But y'all, look at her. I really don't have anything like negative to say about this foundation. It went on smoothly. I know I kind of overdid it. Do I feel like you can build this up to fully make this a full coverage? I feel like kind of sort of you can. I feel like it might come off a little bit cakey, but being that this is only a medium coverage, I see a full coverage in my opinion. But I do love the finish of it. It does not feel heavy on my face. I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me zoom in so you guys can really see. So this is what she is looking like, you guys. Look at that. I see that. Fenty. So like I said, I really don't have any complaints about this foundation. I am highly impressed by this. This is like giving me my glow, honey. Giving me my life, you guys. This is definitely something that's going to be on rotation when it comes to my foundation. I finally found a different foundation to use. I don't know, it's kind of a weird little OCD about me, but I love having like different variety of foundations to use because I don't know, I like it. It's a little weird hoarder's thing. So I call that a hoarder. Hold on. I don't know, it's just like a weird thing that I love to do. Like I feel like you always want to have not just one foundation, but you want to have a mixture of different foundations that fit you, because you never know which one might discontinue. Yes, so y'all definitely will be seeing this foundation being used on my tutorial very frequently, so don't be surprised when you see her on the description. Okay, so definitely y'all don't forget to thumbs up this video if you guys want to see more foundation review videos. Also definitely thumbs up this video because I do want to come back and do like a full face Fenty. Now you're trying out this foundation just using the Fenty products and see if I have the same love and feel about this. So if y'all want to see that, thumbs it up and let me know how you guys feel about this foundation. If you guys have this in your collection or if you try this, a sample, whatever, let me know how you feel about her. But like I said, she's a go for me. This is one for the books, y'all. This is her. She bomb. Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely come back for more videos and I will see you guys in another one. Bye. Go Fenty. Go Fenty. Hey.